100% polyester. Imported. Pull-on closure. Machine wash. Youth-specific fit, 6 to 14 years. Moisture-wicking fabric keeps you cool and dry. Vented mesh paneling increases breathability and airflow. Soft main body fabric provides comfort and a lightweight fit. Mesh collar and sleeve cuffs improve fit and comfort. Drop tail design keeps jersey tucked in through intense rides. Designed to be mixed match with most styles. Top reviews from the United States. Good. I am 12 years old and ordered this with the money I got for Christmas. It fits good and also came pretty quick. I really like it. It matches good with the rest of the stuff I have. I would recommend getting this jersey.